Hello, it's a demo of updating chef from 6.19 to 7.2. I'm going to use chectl server update command that was implemented during the last sprint. In the top right hand terminal we can see all running images in my che namespace. So I have multi-user che 6.19.6 and it's run with operator. To test user experience during server update, I have two running workspaces. On the left hand side is a che6 workspace with deprecated GWT IDE. On the right hand side you can see che7 preview workspace. It's there with plugins, but the workspace configuration has deprecated workspace config format but not div file. So now I just execute server update command, specify platform OpenShift and installer operator. It's only supported installer by server update command now. chectl scans my OpenShift cluster and discovers that I have che that is run with che operator 6.19.0. and it also informs me about new che operator image that will be used after update. So if I'm okay with such update, I should confirm update with any key. Now chectl applies resources for new che operator, and when it's done we can see that new che operator image is used. So let's check che operator logs. We can see that plugin registry deployment is triggered. Then maybe some default values are changed. It's because che config map is updated. Then che server deployment is triggered. So we need await a bit until che operator will finish its work. Here we can see new che server and our running workspaces are successfully recovered. Now che server is successfully restarted and we can continue our update procedure. We can see that che components still use all che6 images. It's because of bug that is fixed for new installations, but for old we should do some manual work. We need to update che cluster custom resource and remove old hard-coded images there, like key clock and che server image tag, plugin registry, do file registry, and then when we store it, che operator will use default embedded images, and these values will be updated with new che operator image. So now we updated every container image we had. We just store it and wait until che operator will update all components to newer versions. We can see that key clock now is updated and do file registry is deployed because we didn't have it in 6th version. Now plugin registry is updated and the last component is che server. Now it's also updated, so now it seems that our che is fully updated to 7.2 version. We can return back to our workspaces. So we start with che7 preview. We can see that it's still running. We can use terminal. We can refresh a page. It successfully fetched and even terminal is restored. But if we try to restore such chess7 preview workspace, then we get an error message. It's about deprecated plugin reference that we used in that version. And what we have with chess6 workspace, we can see that it's displayed as running. We can use terminal, we can use almost all. Project tree should works as well. But when we try to update a page, to refresh a page, then workspace won't be loaded. It caused by that fact that previously GWT IDE resources were hosted on chess server, and now it's just removed. So on dashboard we can see an error message. Then workspace has old format. We can stop such workspace. We can view its configuration, and that's almost all that we can do with chess6 workspaces. And the last step we can do to verify that our chess is updated successfully is to run new chess7 workspace. So we just starting it, and now we can see that new chess7 workspace is run and fully usable. So in this demo we successfully updated chess from 6.19 to 7.2. Thanks for watching.